Today we have our special who is Ayushi Bajaj.
Hi.
Yeah, thank you Ayushi for joining us and to answer all the PhD related questions. So I have collected few of them and we are very thankful to have her.
Thank you for inviting me to your channel to
Yeah.
answer all the questions.
I'm happy
I'm
that
happy.
you came and you accepted this. Yeah.
Thank you. I'm happy to answer all the questions and all the queries that you have regarding PhD.
Yeah.
And she is herself a PhD scholar, so you can ask her too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, Ayushi, just tell your background and how was your experience and what exams did you qualify?
Okay.
Yeah.
So, hi everyone. My name is Ayushi Bajaj, and I am right now pursuing PhD from JNU. I am masters in biochemistry. I have pursued my masters and bachelor's from Jamia Hamdard in biochemistry. It was an integrated program. Then I did my master's dissertation from Jawaharlal Nehru University under the supervision of Professor Atul Kumar Johri, and now I'm pursuing PhD. So you are also
She
asked
is
me.
very talented. You can ask her question and yeah, her basic knowledge is very strong.
She also asked me about the exams that I qualified.
Yeah.
So I have qualified CSIR NET and I had got 32 rank, All India rank,
That's
general
really
category.
great.
ठीक है. Then जो मेरा एग्ज़ाम था जून में या जून 2024 दैट्स व्हाट आई क्वालिफाइड एंड उसी साइकिल के बाद में उसी के थ्रू एक्चुअली आई अप्लाइड इन JNU.
तो आप बेसिकली JNU में JRF या फिर नेट या गेट से आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो एंड फिर यू विल गेट अ कॉल फॉर इंटरव्यू एंड आपको बस अपीयर करना है एंड दिस टाइम इंटरव्यू ऑनलाइन हुआ था एंड इनका लाइफ साइंस ग्रुप 2 में हुआ है.
यस. सो मैंने अप्लाई किया था लाइफ साइंसेज ग्रुप 2 थ्रू नेट CSIR नेट. ठीक है. और उसके बाद इंटरव्यू के क्वेश्चंस वर this started from basics since I am from biochemistry background and I applied in group 2 यहाँ पर microbiology का है. ठीक है. तो microbiology despite the fact that I am from biochemistry I applied in group 2 microbiology. तो I stuck to my subject. ठीक है. So मतलब they asked me what you're interested in, so I said biochemistry, which is not basically a good thing, but they appreciate the fact that you are sticking to the knowledge that you have. Because मैं abruptly जाके कुछ भी नहीं बोल सकती. You should
First
say,
you should know what you
Yeah.
know. Yeah.
you should say your subject despite your whatever your interest is, because उसी के बेसिस पर आप लोग जज किए जाओगे या फिर कोई भी इंसान जज किया जाएगा, because जो नॉलेज आपको है आप उसी को बोल सकते हो. So they started from the very basic. They asked me about amino acids, ketogenic, proteogenic amino acids, proteinogenic, sorry. Then they asked me about enzymes. ठीक है. They asked me about glycolysis, उसका पूरा process, regulatory steps in glycolysis. Then how the enzymes function and how are they regulated, glycolysis का पूरा वो. Plus they asked me about in-depth questions about enzymes कि substrate increase कर दोगे, what will be the effect, या फिर enzyme concentration increase कर दोगे. So all those questions were related to enzymes. Then I was also asked from the research proposal. तो होता क्या है, when we are applying in JNU तो हमको एक research proposal देना होता है. It is a 1 or 2 page thing. ठीक है. तो research proposal जैसे हम देते हैं, so they went through it. तो एक professor ने मुझसे research proposal से पूछा that how will you design the experiments, how will you do that. It was all experimental. So it started from the very basic and it went up to the analytical part. That's how my interview was.
दैट्स गुड. लाइक आपका इंटरव्यू बेसिक से स्टार्ट होगा एंड फिर आप जैसे आंसर करोगे आप डिज़ाइन करोगे कि मतलब हमें अपना इंटरव्यू किस तरीके से कहाँ से ले जाना है. तो एनालिटिकल क्वेश्चंस फिर आते हैं. तो इट सीम्स कि आपका इंटरव्यू अच्छा जा रहा है जब वो लोग आपको ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस पूछने लगे. तो ऐसा तो अगले पार्ट में हम रिसर्च प्रपोजल कैसे बनाते हैं, क्या है ये सब, ये भी हम ला सकते हैं. तो विल इनवाइट आयुषी अगेन.
Sure. Whenever you need me, I'm there.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
So I hope this video might help you guys. So thank you so much for watching and thank you for supporting to my channel. So we'll see you in my another video. Stay connected and you can approach Ayushi for more such questions. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
I'll get to you through her channel.